Men's Minute Modcast with his mates, Mo and Perry. Episode 222.
Hello, and welcome to another episode of Men's Minute Modcast with his mates, Perry and Mo. Hey guys.
Hey, David. You still here?
We are in the future and super excited about what this year is going to bring us in terms of tech and AI. I'm going to kick this off straight away and ask my first question, which is, what are you most looking forward to in 26 when it comes to this stuff?
That it's quiet, right?
Then it's quiet. What do you think we might see as a breakthrough in 2026? What could be the next evolution? And if it helps, one of the news stories that I saw was, OpenAI has done this. They bought that company from Johnny Ives, and it's something we discussed in one of the modcasts last year, which is we're going to see the next evolution of AI, which isn't us tapping on our phones or our computers. It's going to be screenless AI. So I understand that they're creating this pen, which you can use for doing your notes, which will automatically then transcribe it digitally. But also, obviously, it's got AI built into it, so you just have it in your pocket.
And then your pen starts writing by itself, right? You're taking notes in a notebook. I was meeting with Min. It was very nice. And then your pen goes off, like writing something completely different.
So it's going to be really interesting. I think I'm ready for that next evolution of something else that embeds it. I'm looking forward to the next versions of the Alexa devices, because I've got about 20 in my house, because they're all going to have OpenAI, ChatGPT embedded in them as well, so you can have more of a conversation rather than just asking what the weather is, which is pretty much what I use it for. So those are a couple of things that I think could be quite interesting. But yeah, anything you guys think might be coming out?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to something. And sorry, I'm being typically me, so I'm going to say something different here. I was watching Stranger Things on Netflix, which is a very good series. It's awesomely made. And I'm watching that and I'm thinking, what am I not seeing? This is a story created by these brothers and really hyped, and it's really cool. And I kept thinking, maybe the other side is AI. What are we going to see in 26? Maybe we're going to see something in 26 that we're not seeing right now, where it changes everything. So yes, all the gadgets, and I love everything AI is doing, but I'm excited to see something that we're not seeing right now that will be like, oh, wait a second. There's this other side that without knowing it, we're all there, and we're going to make a decision if we want to stay there or go back, or I don't know. But I had that feeling while watching Stranger Things. And I'm thinking, I linked it to AI and everything that's happening in the world today. So I'm looking forward to some really groundbreaking new insights.
Yeah.
Beyond everything. That's what I'm looking for. Sure. Yeah. What are you thinking, Mo?
There's so many things. That was a deep question, man. So you need to really think about it. I've seen so many different news happening, in the past months, about being able to share dreams with individuals. You can connect to a machine and you're sharing the same dream, like the movie Inception or something. And I just think that something crazy is going to happen. Something big, because the past 2-3 years, let's say, I think it was the educational period. It was that let's get the habits in, let's get people start using things, and then let's unleash what can become, or something shall become, because we are starting to get people into the habit of using the technology. Personally, I want teleportation. I don't like
Me too.
Applying that.
I love that. Yeah.
Exactly. So I would love teleportation or something.
It's 2026, not 2096.
Yep. Thank you.
That's true. But in reality, I think one thing that is moving a lot is robotics and the medical side of the industry using AI a lot more. And that industry, as the health industry, I think is going to be even more revolution. So I think that's one big thing. It's going to become more normal and normal in China. There's these, well, it's not robots, it's these machines you can just go.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. And they just diagnose you within 20 seconds or whatever amount of time. It's just sure. So these technologies, I think, is the start, and I think it will start going out. I'm in UAE, so I'm assuming that things like this will be more here and more available.
Yeah.
So I'm excited about it.
Getting those drone taxis or something this year.
Yeah, we have. It's already available. So,
let me know. Can you do like a live stream from one of those next time you're...
I haven't used them yet, but I saw videos. Like there's, like, you know, those Amazon boxes that you can put your parcels in. So you go there, you order delivery, and the drone comes down and just gives it to you. So it's pretty cool.
Yeah. And then
there's also a drone taxi that you, as a physical human being, goes into that drone, and they drop you off like Amazon. I hope not. Like, this is your address, Bo.
Yeah, it's cool. I agree. A lot of the stuff I've been seeing has been, it's going to move away from just being things we use on our laptops and our phones to being embedded in more day-to-day devices. But also, I think this thing around the robots and having it in a physical way is, I think, what's going to happen in the next few years, of looking at kind of share prices and what everyone's getting excited about. I think it's getting more and more around companies that are developing, obviously not only the chips, but the actual robots to do some of this stuff. So then it's probably coming into like Black Mirror and, you know, what we think the future might look like. Careful what you wish for, right, Perry?
Exactly.
I have one thing though. So if we're going to screenless devices, for us, we use laptops and monitors and all these a lot, and it makes our eyes weak. So what would that make, like, as an issue or some kind of effect, that if you use those kind of devices, I'm assuming there'll be side effects, and I'm wondering what those would be as well.
Yeah.
Actually, I think the other thing that we're going to start doing, Perry, to your point about what does the next version of normality look like, and like, you know, we're so used to our phones now, literally, for doing everything, right? From, you know, booking, you know, ordering stuff, our groceries, all the random stuff we get from Amazon, etc. And everything is literally on the phone, right? In the terms of an app. So that's cool. But I think the next thing that I can see, and we started seeing a little bit of it earlier last year, was I think there's going to be a real push for AR with the glasses. So I think that'll be another state of us keeping our phones in our pockets, only because we'll have a little square, you know, in the glasses and the Ray-Bans and the like, because that'll be the things we'll use for navigating, for maps. And who's this guy? I've forgotten his name. And then the AI will tell you, that's Mo, Perry, right?